Hi everyone. Alright, so in this video we are going to be looking at multiplying fractions. Okay, so and then we are going to be seeing what the easy approach is. Okay, so it involves very quick two simple steps. Alright, first is you should be able to cancel common factors before multiplying. And then what approach does the multiplication take? It takes a straight across approach, what we call a straight across. Okay, so now back to the first. Here, if you are giving a multiplication of a fraction and a whole number, or a fraction and another fraction, so this time around it shouldn't be a mixed number but just a normal fraction, so with a whole number or with another fraction. So first you check for common factors, so you cancel out common factors and then you take a straight across multiplication. All right, so we have examples here. The first one says 3 over 5 multiplied by 15. All right, so I'm going to be asking, of course you can also complete this one to be a complete fraction, and I can do the same here. Right, so what do I do here? You can actually cancel vertically or diagonally, so you can go this way or this way or this way, but you cannot cancel horizontally. It's not allowed. You can't cancel this way. Of course you can see here that 3 can cancel 15, sorry, but you are not allowed to do that. So you can only go vertically or diagonally. That's allowed. All right, so let's go. Here we can see that 5 can of course cancel 15. So 5 here is 1, and 5 into 15 is going to give us 3. All right, so once you are done, so you discover that what we have left is 3 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 1 as well, and then you are done. So you now go ahead, since there is no other divisor, so that's it, no other common factor here, so you can go ahead and do your straight across multiplication. And what does that mean? Your numerator should multiply numerator and denominator should multiply denominator. So here you can see 3 times 3 is 9, all over 1 times 1 is 1, and so your last answer is 9. Okay, so we move over here. Is there any common factor here? Yes, 13 can divide 13 and also divide 130. So 13 into 13 is 1, and so that's going to give us, all right, so and that gives us the solution as 20 over 1, which is also 20. And then for number 3 here, we are going to have, is there any common factor here? Yes. So 0, you can actually go digit by digit. So 0 can cancel 0, and then 2 here can go into 2 to give you 1, and 2 into 22 will give you 11. And so you have, which is going to be 77 over 1, and that is equal to 77. Let me see what you will get in the comment section. And then for the other examples, what if you have fraction multiplying another fraction? It follows the same method. Look for common factors and cancel out, and then you multiply straight across. So is there any common factor here? You can see there is no common factor, so immediately we can then do our straight across multiplication. And so 3 multiplying 6 is 18, and 5 multiplying 7 is 35. Usually you are expected to take this to the lowest term, but because there was no common factor originally, therefore this is already in its lowest term, so you don't have to bother yourself checking it again. So we can now come over to this one. Now vertically for these two there is no common factor, but diagonally here there is. So 4 can divide 4 to give us 1, and 4 into 12 will give us 3. Sorry. and so we can apply our straight across multiplication, which is 1 times 7 is 7 and 5 times 3 is 15, and this is in its lowest term. And finally, before I leave this as exercise, of course I'm going to do that. So for the number 7 here, is there any common factor vertically? No. Vertically, no as well. But diagonally on both sides, you will find common factor. So here, 8 can divide 8 to give us 1, and 8 into 24 is 3. Now 5 can divide 5 to give us 1, and 5 into 15 is also 3. So we can actually do our straight multiplication here, or straight across multiplication. 1 by 1 is 1, all over 3 by 3 is 9, and that is your solution. So let me have what you've got, or what you have for number 8 and number 4 in the comment section of this video. And this is where we end it for this video. Subscribe to our channel. Alright, so share our videos with your friends as well. Bye.